Hello everyone, welcome to AKN Sprint Education. Myself Naveen, I am the maths mentor, and today's our session is about transformation of axes, which is there in Mathematics 1B. As you will get 2 4 mark questions. That is total this chapter carries 8 marks. Here this chapter also it depends upon 2 formulas. We will see what are the formulas we have to apply when we are doing problems. Okay. See here, when the origin is shifted to -1, 2 by the translation of axis, find the transformed equation of x square plus y square plus 2x minus 4y plus 1 equal to 0. By the translation of axis, you know what are the axes? This is our x axis and this is our y axis. Okay. The concept is without transforming, without changing its origin, we can transform its axis to x2 capital X and y2 capital Y. Right? They are asking, try to understand the question, when the origin is shifted to -1, 2. We are shifting origin to -1, 2. Whatever the origin is shifted to -1, 2, that we call it as h, k. When the origin is shifted to -1, 2. Here -1, 2 is our h value and k value. And what is the equation? Given equation, x square plus y square plus 2x minus 4y plus 1 equal to 0. Here they may ask 2 type of questions. One is find the transformed equation or else second one they may also ask original equation of the curve. We have 2 types of problems. First we are discussing about the transformed equation of the curve, and then we will discuss about original equation of the curve. We will be having 2 types of problems. Okay, coming to problem number 1, we are discussing about transformed equation of the curve. Right? So when the origin is shifted to -1, 2, whatever the origin is shifted to anagane, that is h, k value. They are asking to find the transformed equation of the curve. Right? So we have the formula for small x. Here, which is in terms of small x, small y. Children, try to remember the given equation of the curve, which is in terms of small x and small y. So what is the formula for small x? As the formula for small x is capital X plus h. Right? So small x equal to capital X plus, what is the value of h here? H value is -1. So x is equal to what? Capital X plus into minus. So in the place of small x, we have to write capital X minus 1. Okay children? And the formula for small y is capital Y plus k. So y equal to capital Y plus the value of k is 2. So in the place of small y, what we have to write? In the place of small y, we have to write capital Y plus 2. Why we are writing? Are you understanding children? Because they are asking transformed equation. Transformed equation ante which will be in the form of capital X and capital Y. As I told you, original axis ni manamu small x, small y తో represent చేస్తాం. Transformed equation ante which comes under capital X and capital Y. Transformed equation of the curve ante answer capital X, capital Y lo రావాలి. Right? So given equation of the curve is small x, small y, and small x formula is capital X plus h, and small y formula is capital Y plus k. ఎక్కడైతే x y ఉంటుందో ఆ ప్లేస్ లో క్యాపిటల్ x మైనస్ 1 సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేయాలి. ఎక్కడైతే y ఉంటుందో ఆ ప్లేస్ లో క్యాపిటల్ y ప్లస్ 2 సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేయాలి. ఓకే చిల్డ్రన్, మనకి ఇక్కడ ఫైండ్ చేయాల్సింది ఇది చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్, ట్రాన్స్ఫార్మ్డ్ ఈక్వేషన్. అంటే ఆన్సర్ క్యాపిటల్ x క్యాపిటల్ y లో రావాలి. క్వశ్చన్ స్మాల్ x స్మాల్ y లో ఇస్తుంటాడు. రైట్, ట్రాన్స్ఫార్మ్డ్ ఈక్వేషన్ అనగానే ఆన్సర్ క్యాపిటల్ x క్యాపిటల్ y లో రావాలి. క్వశ్చన్ స్మాల్ x స్మాల్ y లో ఉంటుంది. సో ద ఫార్ములా ఫర్ స్మాల్ x is capital X plus h, capital X plus h value minus 1. Right? So capital X minus 1 whole square plus y value capital Y plus 2 whole square plus 2 into small x value is capital X minus 1 minus 4 into capital value is y plus 2 plus 1 equal to 0. Right, which is in the form of a minus b whole square. So that is a square plus b square minus 2 into a into b. Okay children, plus a plus b whole square, a square plus b square plus 2 into a into b plus 2 into capital X, 2x minus 2 into 1, 2. Again minus 4 into capital Y minus 4y minus into plus minus 8 plus 1 equal to 0. Right? Now, so we have capital X square and then let us write capital Y square. So here minus 2 into x minus 2x, right? This is minus 2x plus 2x gets cancelled as 2 into 2 4y children plus 4y minus 4y gets cancelled, right? 1 square means 1 plus 2 square means 2 square means 4, 1 plus 4 5, 5 minus 2 3, 3 minus 8 minus 5 minus 5 plus 1, that is equal to minus 4 equal to 0. So what is the answer? The answer is capital X square plus capital Y square minus 4 equal to 0. The thing is in generally students అందరూ బాగా కన్ఫ్యూజ్ అవుతుంటారు ఈ చాప్టర్ కు. కానీ once if you understand the concept which is very easy, see only 2 to 3 steps, 2 to 3 steps లో సమ్ ఆన్సర్ అయిపోతది. Okay, once again I will explain one more problem. When the origin is shifted to minus 1 comma 2 by the translation of axis, the equation of the curve, let us change. 2x square plus y square minus 4x plus 4y equal to 0. Okay, so this is our equation of the curve. What is the given equation of the curve? 2x square plus y square minus 4x plus 4y equal to 0. So what to do children? Whatever the given origin is shifted to minus 1 comma 2, and that is h comma k. Okay, they are asking to find the transformed equation of the curve. Transformed equation of the curve ante answer capital X capital Y lo ravali. Ante క్వశ్చన్ స్మాల్ x స్మాల్ y లో ఉంటుంది. సో వాట్ ఇస్ ద ఫార్ములా ఫర్ స్మాల్ x? క్యాపిటల్ X ప్లస్ h. అండ్ వాట్ ఇస్ ద ఫార్ములా ఫర్ స్మాల్ y? క్యాపిటల్ Y ప్లస్ k. సో స్మాల్ x ఈక్వల్ టు క్యాపిటల్ X. హియర్ h వాల్యూ హౌ మచ్ చిల్డ్రన్? -1. సో x minus 1. స్మాల్ y ఈక్వల్ టు క్యాపిటల్ Y ప్లస్ k వాల్యూ హౌ మచ్? 2. దట్ వాల్యూస్ మనం ఇక్కడ తీసుకొని సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేయాలి, అంతేనా? సో 2 into మనం రాసేటప్పుడు కొద్దిగా జాగ్రత్తగా రాసుకోవాలి. స్మాల్ x ప్లేస్ లో క్యాపిటల్ X -1 హోల్ స్క్వేర్, స్మాల్ y ప్లేస్ లో క్యాపిటల్ Y ప్లస్ 2 -4 ఇంటూ స్మాల్ x ప్లేస్ లో క్యాపిటల్ X -1 ప్లస్ 4 ఇంటూ క్యాపిటల్ Y ప్లస్ 2 ఈక్వల్ టు 0. ఓకేనా? సో 2 ఇంటూ a minus b హోల్ స్క్వేర్, a స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ b స్క్వేర్ అంటే 1 స్క్వేర్ వాల్యూ 1 మైనస్ 2 ఇంటూ x ఇంటూ 1 2x అవుతుంది ప్లస్ y స్క్వేర్ మీన్స్ y ప్లస్ 2 హోల్ స్క్వేర్ అంటే a స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ 2 స్క్వేర్ 4 అవుతుంది ప్లస్ 2 ఇంటూ y ఇంటూ 2 4y minus 4 into x minus 4x minus into minus plus 4 1 ja 4 4 into y 4y plus 4 into 2 8 equal to 0, right? Now let us multiply 2 into x square 2x square 2 into 1 2 2 2 ja 4x plus y square plus 4 plus 4y minus 4x plus 4 plus 4y plus 8 equal to 0. Is there any possibility to cancel? No. Let us 2x square and then let us write y square and then let us write x terms minus 4x that is minus 8x and then let us write y terms 4y which is equal to 8y 2 plus 4 6 6 plus 4 10 10 plus 8 18 equal to 0, right? What is the transformed equation of the curve? Therefore the transformed equation of the curve is 2x square plus y square minus 8x plus 8y plus 18 equal to 0. Students, I hope you understood how to find the transformed equation of the curve. Transformed equation of the curve అడిగితే ఆన్సర్ క్యాపిటల్ X క్యాపిటల్ Y లో వస్తది. క్వశ్చన్ స్మాల్ x స్మాల్ y లో ఉంటుంది. స్మాల్ x ఫార్ములా you have to remember children, capital X plus H, small y formula capital Y plus K. So this is the one method they are going to ask in public examination. Okay. Now coming to question number 3. When the origin is shifted to the point 2, 3. Origin is shifted to the point 2, 3, meaning what? That is our h, k value which is 2, 3. The transformed equation of the curve is x square plus 3xy minus 2y square plus 17x minus 7y minus 11 equal to 0. Find original equation of the curve. జాగ్రత్తగా వినాలి. ఒరిజినల్ ఈక్వేషన్ ఆఫ్ ద కర్వ్. ఒరిజినల్ ఈక్వేషన్ ఆఫ్ ద కర్వ్ అంటే ఆన్సర్ షుడ్ బి ఇన్ టర్మ్స్ ఆఫ్ స్మాల్ x అండ్ స్మాల్ y. నేను పదే ఎందుకు నేను మళ్ళీ రిపీట్ చేస్తున్నానంటే క్వశ్చన్ లో ఒరిజినల్ ఈక్వేషన్ ఆఫ్ ద కర్వ్ అంటే ఫైండ్ ఒరిజినల్ ఈక్వేషన్ ఆఫ్ ద కర్వ్ అంటే ఆన్సర్ షుడ్ బి ఇన్ స్మాల్ x అండ్ స్మాల్ y. క్వశ్చన్ లో ఫైండ్ ద transformed equation of curve అని అడిగితే ఆన్సర్ షుడ్ బి ఇన్ క్యాపిటల్ X అండ్ స్మాల్ y. ఇది 2 స్టెప్స్ జాగ్రత్తగా గుర్తుపెట్టుకోవాలి. అయితే ఇప్పుడు క్వశ్చన్ చూడగానే ఏం ఫైండ్ చేయమంటున్నాడు అనేది ఫస్ట్ ఫైండ్ చేయాలి. ఒరిజినల్ ఈక్వేషన్ అడుగుతున్నాడు. ఒరిజినల్ ఈక్వేషన్ అంటే ఆన్సర్ స్మాల్ x స్మాల్ y లో ఉండాలి. అయితే గివెన్ క్వశ్చన్ ని మనం ఏం చేయాలంటే గివెన్ ఈక్వేషన్ ఆఫ్ కర్వ్ ని క్యాపిటల్ X క్యాపిటల్ Y లోకి చేంజ్ చేసుకోవాలి. ఓకేనా? వాట్ ఎవర్ ద గివెన్ ఈక్వేషన్ ఆఫ్ కర్వ్, ఇక్కడ స్మాల్ x స్క్వేర్ ఇచ్చాడు కదా, దాన్ని మనం ఏం రాసుకోవాలి? క్యాపిటల్ X స్క్వేర్ రాసుకోవాలి. స్మాల్ x ని క్యాపిటల్ X గాను స్మాల్ y ని క్యాపిటల్ Y గాను -2 into capital Y square plus 17 into capital X minus 7 into capital Y minus 11 equal to 0. Students, ఇక్కడ ట్రాన్స్ఫార్మ్డ్ ఈక్వేషన్ ఆఫ్ కర్వ్ అంటే అది ఇన్ టర్మ్స్ ఆఫ్ క్యాపిటల్ X క్యాపిటల్ Y లో ఉంటది. ఓకే, మనం ఇన్ టర్మ్స్ ఆఫ్ క్యాపిటల్ X క్యాపిటల్ Y లో చేంజ్ చేసుకున్నాం. We have the formula for small x. What is the formula for small x? Small x is equal to capital X plus h. Actually మనకి క్యాపిటల్ X ఏ కావాలి. ఇప్పుడు ప్లస్ h ని ట్రాన్స్పోజ్ చేసుకుంటే స్మాల్ x మైనస్ h ఈక్వల్ టు క్యాపిటల్ X, రైట్? సో x minus h value how much? H value 2, that is equal to capital X. So what is the formula for capital X? In the place of capital X, I can write as small x minus 2. Okay? Now, what is the formula for small y? As we know, the formula for small y is capital Y plus k. K ni transpose చేసుకుంటే y minus k equal to capital Y. మన k value ఎంత? K value is 3, y minus 3 equal to capital Y. అంటే capital Y value ఏంటి? Small y minus 3. ఎక్కడైతే capital X ఉంటుందో ఆ ప్లేస్ లో x minus 2, ఎక్కడైతే capital Y ఉంటుందో ఆ ప్లేస్ లో small y minus 3 సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేయాలి. ఓకే? let us substitute now. Small x minus 2 whole square plus 3 into small x minus 2 small y minus 3 minus 2 into y place లో small y minus 3 whole square plus 17 into capital X అంటే small x minus 2 minus 7 into capital Y means small y minus 3 minus 11 equal to 0. అంతే. మనం ఈ సమ్ములు చేసేటప్పుడు జాగ్రత్తగా కొద్దిగా మైండ్ పెట్టి చేస్తే ఆన్సర్ అయితే ఈజీ. ఓకే? సో a minus b whole square, a square plus b square అంటే 2 square 4 minus 2ab 4x అవుతుంది plus 3 into x into y xy x into minus 3 minus 3x minus 2 into y minus 2y minus into minus plus 2 3 is 6 minus 2 into a minus b whole square, a square plus b square, 3 square into 9 minus 2 into y into 3 6y plus 17x minus 17 to the 34 minus 7y minus into minus plus 21 minus 11 equal to 0. So x square plus 4 minus 4x plus 3xy minus 3 3 is 9x 3 2 is 6y 3 6 is 18 minus 2y square minus 18 minus into minus plus 2 6 is 12y plus 17x minus 34 minus 7y 21 minus 11 that is 10 equal to 0. So first let us write x terms. We have only one x square. Then let us write y terms. Then we have only minus 2y square. Let us see now x terms. Minus 4x minus 9x minus 13 plus 17. 17 minus 13 4x. So we got plus 4x. Then y terms. So we have y terms here minus 6y plus 12y plus 6y plus 6y minus 7y minus 1y. And then we have only one xy term, that is plus 3xy. And then constants 4 plus 18 22 or else plus 18 minus 18 cancel. 4 minus 34 minus 30 plus 10 minus 20 equal to 0. So what is the transformed equation of the curve? X square plus 3xy minus 2y square plus 4x minus y minus 20 equal to 0. Yes, our answer is correct. Children, so here what they are asking here? Original equation of the curve. Original equation of the curve అంటే ఆన్సర్ ఏముంటుంది? small x small y లో ఉంటది. Given equation of curve ఏంటి? Transformed equation of curve. Transformed equation of curve అంటే it should be in capital X and capital Y. అది ఇక్కడ మెయిన్ థింగ్. ఆడు క్వశ్చన్ లో ఒరిజినల్ ఈక్వేషన్ ఆఫ్ ద కర్వ్ అడుగుతున్నాడా, ట్రాన్స్ఫార్మ్డ్ ఈక్వేషన్ ఆఫ్ ద కర్వ్ అడుగుతున్నాడా, అది మనం బాగా గుర్తుపెట్టుకొని అకార్డింగ్ టు దట్ వి హావ్ టు గో. సో హియర్ వాట్ వి ఆర్ యూజింగ్ ద ఫార్ములాస్. స్మాల్ x ఫార్ములా capital X plus h, small y ఫార్ములా capital Y plus k. అకార్డింగ్ టు ద సిచువేషన్ మనకు స్మాల్ x కావాలంటే capital X plus h, capital X కావాలంటే small x minus h. స్మాల్ y కావాలంటే క్యాపిటల్ Y plus k, క్యాపిటల్ Y కావాలంటే స్మాల్ y minus k. Okay children, this is one method. Either they may ask original equation of the curve or they may ask transformed equation of the curve. We have second method, they will give angle. Then how to find transformed equation of the curve and original equation of the curve, let us discuss now. Now coming to method number 2 problems. Find the transformed equation of x square plus 2 root 3 xy minus y square equal to 2a square when the axes are rotated through an angle 5 by 6. Here they have given angle 5 by 6. Okay. Now in this problem again they are asking what? Transformed equation only. Find the transformed equation. Transformed equation anagane answer should be in the form of capital X and capital Y. That is clear? Yes. But here when the axes are rotated through an angle theta, we have the formula for small x. Small x is equal to capital X cos theta minus capital Y sin theta. And the formula for small y is capital Y cos theta plus capital X sin theta. These two formulas once again you have to remember. Okay children, so let us see. Small x, let us find x cos theta value how much? Angle is 5 by 6, right? Cos 5 by 6 minus y sin 5 by 6, right? So small x equal to capital X into cos 5 by 6. 5 by 6 is nothing but 30. What is the cos 30 value? Cos 5 by 6 means cos 30. Cos 30 value is root 3 by 2 minus y into sin 30. Sin 30 value what? 1 by 2. So small x is equal to root 3 into x, root 3x minus y into 1 capital Y divided by 2. So what is the formula? What is the value of small x? Root 3 into capital X minus y by 2. Okay children. Now let us find what is the value of small y. Capital Y cos theta plus capital X sin theta. Okay. Let us find first of all y value. So capital Y cos 5 by 6 plus capital X sin 5 by 6. So capital Y cos 5 by 6 value root 3 by 2 plus capital X sin 5 by 6 value 1 by 2. So this is root 3 into y plus x into 1 x by 2. So the value of small y is root 3 into y plus x by 2. Okay children, we got the value of small x and also we got the value of small y. I mean in the place of small x we have to substitute root 3x minus y by 2 whole square plus 2 root 3 into root 3x minus y by 2 into root 3 into y plus x by 2 minus y square. Y means root 3 into y plus x by 2 equal to 2a square, right? Now add the square belongs to numerator as well as to the denominator. Okay, so a minus b whole square. So root 3 whole square nothing but 3x square plus y square minus 2 into root 3 into xy by 2 square and 4. Okay children, now let us cancel 2 and 2. Okay, let us rub this. Now plus root 3 into, as root 3 into root 3, 3 x into y xy, again root 3 x into x, root 3 x square minus root 3 y square minus xy divided by, we have only 2. Again minus, again a plus b whole square, a square plus b square plus 2ab by 2 square means 4 equal to 2a square. Children, what we will do, let us don't cancel here 2 and 2, because 2 into 2, here you will get 4, let it be here 2 root 3 only, because every term is 4, so that easily we can add its numerators easily. Okay, so I am not cancelling there. Now, so the LCM is 4 only, let me take LCM 4, 3x square plus y square minus 2 root 3 xy. Now let us multiply. 2 3s are 6 root 3 xy plus 2 root 3 into root 3. 2 root 3 into root 3 6, root 3 into root 3 3, 6x square minus root 3 into root 3 3, 6y square minus 2 root 3 xy minus 3y square minus x square minus 2 root 3 xy equal to 2a square. Okay, now minus 2 root 3 xy minus 2 root 3 xy minus 2 root 3 xy, which is equal to minus 6 root 3 xy. Minus 6 root 3 xy plus 6 root 3 xy gets cancelled. Next, anything we can cancel? Check it once. So here 3x square plus 6x square, 9x square, 9 minus 1, 8. 8 into capital X square. Now coming to y square, 1 minus 6 minus 5 minus 5 minus 3 minus 8y square equal to cross multiplication 4 into 2, 4 2s are 8. Okay, from these two terms let me take 8 common, capital X square minus capital Y square equal to 8a square. So 8 gets cancelled, capital X square minus capital Y square equal to a square. Okay, again they are asking transformed equation only. We got transformed equation which is in terms of capital X and capital Y only. Children, be careful when we are multiplying. Okay, here a minus b whole square formula, a plus b whole square formula. When we are multiplying, we have to go slowly. Each and every term you have to see, and plus and minus signs are important. If one sign goes wrong, total sum will go wrong. So slowly you go, so that you will get the answer easily. Okay, let us go with one more question. The same method, let us change the equation of the curve and angle. So for example, find the transformed equation of 3x square plus 10xy plus 3y square equal to 9 with an angle pi by 4, children. So what is the angle now? Pi by 4. Let us do one more problem so that you will understand the concept very clearly. As this concept carries 4 marks. Yes, the thing is here, given equation of curve is 3x square plus 10xy plus 3y square equal to 9. Okay, na? What they are asking, again transformed equation of the curve only. Transformed equation of the curve. Transformed equation of the curve ante answer should be in the form of capital X and capital Y. Given question is in the form of small x and small y. We know that what is the formula for small x? Small x equal to x cos theta minus y sin theta. What is the formula for small x? X cos theta minus y sin theta. So here theta value how much? Pi by 4, right? X is equal to x into cos pi by 4 minus y into sin pi by 4. Right? So what is the value of pi by 4? Pi by 4 is nothing but 45 degrees. Cos 45 value what? Cos 45 value is 1 by root 2. Sin 45 value also 1 by root 2. So x into 1, x by root 2 minus y into 1, y by root 2. So LCM is root 2, small capital X and capital Y. So what is the value of x? X value is capital X minus capital Y by root 2. Now what is the formula for small y? Small y equal to y cos theta plus x sin theta. What is the formula for small y? Capital Y cos theta plus capital X sin theta. Okay. So again you substitute the values. Y cos pi by 4 plus x sin pi by 4. So y cos pi by 4 value 1 by root 2 plus x sin pi by 4 value 1 by root 2. So y by root 2 plus x by root 2. So what is the value of small y? Capital Y plus capital X by root 2. Right? We got the value of small x, capital X minus y by root 2. We got the value of small y, capital Y plus x by root 2. Okay? Now let us substitute the values here. So 3 into small x means capital X minus y by root 2 whole square plus 10 into small x means capital X minus capital Y by root 2 and capital Y is nothing but x plus y by root 2. I can write as x plus y or y plus x, anything. Okay, I don't have place here, let me rub it. Plus 3 into capital Y means capital X plus capital Y by root 2 whole square equal to 9. Okay. So 3 into square belongs to numerator as well as denominator. Capital X minus capital Y whole square. X square plus y square minus 2xy divided by square root cancel, you get 2. Plus 10 into, if you observe this numerators which are in the form of a minus b into a plus b, I can write as a square minus b square by root 2 into root 2, 2. Plus 3 into capital X square plus capital Y square plus 2 capital X capital Y by square root cancel 2 equal to 9. Right? Now again you take LCM as 2. 3x square plus 3y square minus 3 to just 6xy plus 10x square minus 10y square plus 3x square plus 3y square plus 6xy equal to 9. Again cross multiplication, 2 into 9 you will get 18. So 3x square plus 3x square, 3x square plus 10, 13, 13 plus 3, 16. 3 minus 10 minus 7. Minus 7 plus 3 minus 4. Right? Next minus 6xy plus 6xy gets cancelled equal to 2 9s are 18. So what we will take now? As we will take 2 as common, 2 8s are 2 2s are equal to 18. 2 table 2 1s are 2 9s are. So 8x square minus 2y square equal to 9. So what is the transformed equation of the curve? As the transformed equation of the curve is 8 into capital X square minus 2 into capital Y square equal to 9. So this is our transformed equation of the curve. Next question we will see how to find original equation of the curve when the axes are rotated through an angle, certain angle. Okay. Now coming to problem number 6, when the axes are rotated through an angle 45 degrees, the transformed equation of curve is 17x square minus 16xy plus 17y square equal to 225. Find the original equation of the curve. Children, what they are asking? Original equation of the curve. Original equation of the curve anagane answer should be in the form of small x small y. Given equation of curve ni క్యాపిటల్ X అండ్ క్యాపిటల్ Y లో రాసుకోవాలి. అదే మన మెయిన్ థింగ్. ఈ టోటల్ చాప్టర్ క్వశ్చన్ ఏం అడుగుతున్నాడు, ఆన్సర్ ఎట్లా ఉండాలి, అది మనకు వన్స్ అర్థమైతే ఈజీగా సమ్స్ చేయొచ్చు. ఇక్కడ క్వశ్చన్ ఇన్ ద ఫార్మ్ ఆఫ్ క్యాపిటల్ X అండ్ క్యాపిటల్ Y. నౌ we have the formula for capital X. The formula for capital X is x cos theta plus y sin theta, and the formula for capital Y is small y cos theta minus x sin theta. Here theta value is how much? Theta value 45 degrees. Let us substitute now. X cos 45 plus y sin 45. You know well, children, what is the value of cos 45? 1 by root 2. What is the value of sin 45? 1 by root 2. X into 1, x by root 2 plus y into 1, y by root 2. So LCM is root 2. So directly we can add numerators. So the formula for capital X is small x plus y by root 2. Now let us find capital Y. Capital Y equal to y into cos 45 minus x into sin 45. Cos 45 value 1 by root 2, I can write as y by root 2. Sin 45 value 1 by root 2, I can write as x by root 2. So directly I can write y minus x by root 2. That is the value of capital Y. Capital X is small x plus y by root 2. Capital Y is small y minus x by root 2. See this is the most important thing. Right? Now let us substitute the in place of capital X. Small x plus y by root 2 whole square minus 16 into small x plus y by root 2 into y minus x by root 2 into 17 into y value y minus x by root 2 whole square equal to 225. So 17 into a plus b whole square, a square plus b square plus 2ab by square root cancel 2 minus 16 into, which is in the form of a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square by root 2 into root 2 2 plus 17 into a square plus b square minus 2ab by square root cancel 2 equal to 225. Okay children, so the LCM is 2, 17 into x square, 17x square, 17 into y square, 17y square, 17 2s are 34xy minus 16 into y square, 16y square, minus into minus plus 16x square. 17 into y square, 17y square, 17 into x square, 17x square, 17 2s are 34xy equal to 225. So 17 plus 17, 34, 34 plus 16, 50x square. So here 17 minus 16, 1, 1 plus 17, 18y square. Plus 34xy minus 34xy gets cancelled equal to cross multiplication 225 into 2, 5 2 is 10, 2 2 is 4 plus 1 5, 2 2 is 4, that is 450. Now again let us take 2 common, 2 25 is 2 9 is equal to 450. 2 table 2 1 is 225 is. So answer is what? 25x square plus 9y square equal to 225. Right? Actually they are asking to find the original equation of the curve. So original equation of the curve is what? 25x square plus 9y square equal to 225. So children, question is important rather than answer. And also you have to practice. Once after watching this video, the same questions if you practice, you will get easily 8 marks. Actually 1B, in the previous video we have discussed about locus 2 4-mark questions, transformation aspects 2 4-mark questions. Once if you go with these 2 videos, enough. 4 4-mark questions you can easily attempt. 4 4-mark questions. After watching the video, kindly practice the same questions, because they will never change the even question also. Same numbers, same letters, everything will be same. The thing is you have to practice. So children, don't forget to hit subscribe button, like it with your friends, so that it will be very helpful for us, for them also. And thank you children, thanks a lot.